difference between debit and credit, right? Because a lot of people say they don't need credit, but credit is one of the most important things, and there's no way around credit, right? And to be honest, the debit card, I think, is the biggest scam in the world, right? Because let's look at it this way, right? Debit is something that you have to use your own money for, right? So a debit card, you have to put money in the bank, or you have to add money to the card in order for you to have money on that debit card, right? So that's one downfall about a debit compared to credit, right? So when it comes to credit, you can have a secure credit card, which is you can put your own money on a credit card to, build credit. So that way you can be able to leverage it in the future and not have to do that, right? But when your credit is built and you actually have some kind of credit or whatnot, you can actually apply for a credit card or a loan and actually get those funds to be able to do what you want to do, right? So you actually have access to a lot more capital than you would if you had bad credit and just was, out using a debit card, right? And let me give you a better example, right? So imagine if you're on vacation, right? And you went on vacation with your debit card, right? And let's say you made a charge, or something happened with your card, and now your card's been locked, and now the thing is under investigation.